Here we have freshly cleaned chicken. I have washed it and cleaned the chicken. We're gonna start out with some Worcestershire sauce. Then we're gonna start it out with some liquid smoke. Get that little smoky flavor. Yeah. This, I feel like every meat need this when you cooking. Then we're gonna put some black pepper on it. Then we're gonna use some garlic and herb, no salt seasoning. This is another one of my favorite seasonings. Get some good flavor. It's kind of smoky to me too. Then we're gonna put some Flavor God Everything seasoning. Y'all, this seasoning is very expensive. It's called like $7 in the store, but it's very good on chicken, meat, any kind of meat you cooking. It's very good on it. You really can use it for anything. Then I'm gonna use some lemon pepper seasoning. And then we're gonna use another one of my favorite seasonings. It's real good on just about everything too. So we're gonna use some of this. When I'm cooking meat like this, I normally use like 3 packs. Give it that color and flavor. It's real good. That's all the seasoning I'll be using on the chicken today. Now we're about to let this marinate. Get ready to cook. I will be making some lazy hot wings today, along with steak fries. So y'all stay tuned for that. Y'all, we got a delay in the Cash App, so y'all stay tuned for that also. It's still coming, so y'all be patient with me. Until then, y'all make sure y'all like, share, subscribe to the channel. Bang that post notification bell so you know every time I post to go live. And see you guys later when I get started. Have a good day.